St. John the Baptist Parish had the highest mortality rate from COVID than any county in the United States as a result of our systems being compromised by our exposure to the chemicals emitted by DuPont tanker. Anger is one of the few emotions that's expressed. The predominant mindset of the average person here is that of defeat and submission.
It changed our way of life to the point where basically everybody just stayed to themselves. There was no more visiting like we used to do, parties and stuff like that. Because in this area here in Reserve, we all used to get together all the time, parties and stuff like that. All that came to a halt.
I don't know why it was so strong, but I don't know why, because people just didn't take the vaccine. That's why I can see it was so hard hit.